This video is about poor Henry. When Henry was a lad he was first built, he had all attachments and he was a good lad and he was all work and everything else. But over the years, people's lost his attachments. They're not really treat him well and everything else. But when I got him, he needs a lot of work. So for Christmas, I'm going to give him a Christmas. I'm going to make Henry feel better. At the moment, his power switch don't quite work, but it works when it wants to. His turbo switch does not work at all. So I'm going to buy all the new switches for him. I'm going to buy him some new leads. This nose part here, when you pull him too much, it just pulls off. So that's not really any good. So poor Henry, look at the state of him. It's a shame. He just needs a lot of loving and caring for. Because we all know these Henry vacuums, he does everything for me. He cleans the workshop up and everything else. And he does his best, even though he's dying, basically. So basically, I'm going to make Henry happy Christmas. And happy Christmas for Henry. Anyway, next part of the video. So inside of Henry, we've got this. This is there, and that's where his coil of wire goes. And there's his points. Down there, so run along these circuits here. Circuits need cleaning. Got to take them switches out and work out how they come out as well. So I'll carry on digging and find out how Henry ticks. Okay, so he's all turned on. Well, it's not turned on. Right, there's a cover there that covers the switches there. Now, as you can see, I'm going to turn him on. So now Henry's got a turbo switch. Thank God for that. This switch is still a bit dodgy, but I'll get a new one of them ones for him. But at the moment his turbo switch is working. And just as a surprise for Henry, I got him a replaceable zip-up bag. It's brand new for him. And he's got his other presents today. That was not just all I bought him. I bought him a new turbo switch and fitted it. New bag. I give him a good clean, a good wash. And guess what else he got? I'll give you the prices and all the links to the parts I bought for him. Well, out with the old, I suppose. And just for £13.50, it's in with the new. Yes, for £13.50 on eBay, I got the whole attachments. New tube for Henry. All of his proper attachments. One for the sofa. And most of all, the main foot. And all of its metal arms. Brand new. Isn't Henry a lucky boy? He's going to have a good Christmas, as you can see. Back in a minute. So, with all the attachments on, the new tubes, the new arms, the new feet, a new turbo switch, a new reusable zipper bag. Me and Henry wish you a Merry Christmas. And Henry is now one happy little vacuum that will always do the jobs that it's meant to do. especially when you show them a bit of appreciation and fix them and repair them. Henry is now a happy bunny, a happy little chappie. And how much did it cost me? Less than £30. About £25 for everything. That's the replacement switches, the arms, the legs, the tubes, everything. And was it worth it? Yes, it was. It was well worth me making Henry happy for Christmas. Have a good Christmas, everybody. Bye.